Once a worksheet grows beyond what fits on screen, you need view tools to keep headers visible and to work in two places at once. These tools don't change your data, they change how you see it. Freeze panes keep headers visible. View freeze panes has three options. Freeze top row, row 1 stays visible as you scroll down. Freeze first column, column A stays visible as you scroll right. Freeze panes freezes everything above and to the left of the active cell. To freeze the top header row and the first column, click cell B2 and choose Freeze Panes. Split two views of the same sheet. View Split divides the window into 2 or 4 independent panes. Each pane scrolls separately, so you can compare rows 520 with rows 5000, 5000, and 20 at the same time. Click Split again to remove. New window, 2 windows of the same workbook. View New Window opens the same workbook in a second window. Combined with Arrange All Vertical, you can put 2 different sheets, for example, data and dashboard side by side on one monitor. Hide. Unhide columns and rows. Right-click a column letter or row number hide. To unhide, select the surrounding columns, rows, right-click Unhide. Useful for temporarily simplifying a report without deleting columns. Zoom and custom views. Zoom slider, bottom right, quick zoom in and out. View custom views save a named combination of zoom, filters, and hidden columns for quick switching. For example, manager view versus detail view. Page layout and print view. View page layout shows how the sheet will print, with margins and headers, footers. Use page break preview to drag the print boundaries. Try this. Open a long sales report. Click cell B2 and choose Freeze Panes, scroll down and right. The top row and first column stay anchored. View. Split the window in 2. Compare January data in the top pane with December in the bottom. Hide a column you don't need today, then unhide it.